County.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Gary Retzlaff, Berlin, Wisconsin. Two-time here tonight at Marshfield, Wisconsin for the 2024 Parish Pole. Dylan Newstead, Loyal, Wisconsin. Dead Man's Hands. And a machine he calls the wife's nightmare. In the Schwartz coating Renegade Diesel. He calls it Bessie, Ernest Schwartz. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Whoa, Bessie, whoa. 317.4015. Spooling it up. Jack Peters. Started at the beginning, thought maybe he cleared out, but it just kept getting worse and worse. Mary Strangfeld and the Rooster down to second. And third right now with a 2:45.47. Pete Woolman, tail twister. He calls Out of Harm's Way.
Love it.
Love it.
Love it.
Right now, your distance 3:17.